Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. So today's video, I really wanted to do this for a long time, ever since I started YouTube, but now that I've gotten really serious with it, I'm going to be doing an intro for my channel just to kind of keep it clean, make the channel look very more appealing and wanting people to come back. And yeah, so we're gonna do an intro, very simple. I'm not really sure how long this video is gonna be, considering the clip that I'm trying to do for YouTube shouldn't be that long, the intro. So I'm gonna clean up the car a bit because look, we got doo-doo on it, and I think it's just the front. Clean it up a bit, and yeah, I'm excited. I do, however, have to take something off the car because we don't want this on the car anymore. And yeah, anyways, so there's an event coming up. Well, by the time you guys see this video, I think the event will already be over, but debating on going to the clean culture thing. But again, we shall see, because it's just kind of been honestly thought this was gonna take so much to take off, but it's been on here for a good minute. But dang, dude, but on camera she doesn't look dirty, but if you get really close, yeah, it's a haze of dirtiness. I swear the birds just be shitting on our cars, and we're just but it feels it's just over here though, just they be having diarrhea. And then if you haven't seen my last video, I started talking about the spacers, and I like it. Looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything I need to do the video, the intro, and then we're gonna head over to the park, and I will see y'all over there. So we just got back, and literally the whole point of this video was to do a behind the scenes thing, and he needed to use my SD card, well, my memory card, and I usually keep 2 in my bag, which I did, but I couldn't find it at the moment. And then we just got home and I found it. Gonna get to editing the intro, and I'm actually gonna put the intro in here so that, yeah, I'm excited because I've been wanting to do something like this for a good minute, but it's because back then I didn't really have the following, and I still don't on YouTube, but we're growing fast, so time to make the channel look a bit better. And yeah, but look at her, she looks so good sitting now. Looking all scrumptious. So yeah, just a little disclaimer, this video will be short because, again, I fucking forgot, but it's okay. I did not expect this video to be 8 to 9 minutes, but yeah. And we got the man over here working. Okay, that's enough. This man's out here making fun of me, as we're going through the footage.
I'm yeah, because it's just funny, because I'm telling you to shift, just that way we can make a montage, and you're just here robotic as hell. You're this is you. You're okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm you don't shift like that.
He's making fun of me. Don't make fun of me. Stop. You said you'd buy my car?
Yeah, I would.
Nah. You're not buying me. Alright, so far I'm over here looking at this man, do his magic, and no words.
What, you like it?
Yeah. I've never had anything done like that for the car. Ever. I love that shot. Damn. Ooh. I'm gonna put my reaction in here when it's completely done, because I'm already cheesing way too hard.
You're oh my god, looks so good!
Yeah, okay, go.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1.
Tell me why I was looking at that screen.
Keep looking. montage?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll airdrop it to you right now. That's one blowjob.
Damn, I'm recording.
Oh.
I feel like you don't get to. You miss some things, you know?
Premeditated, so I mean, of course you can get better shots, but for something super fast, and you didn't even expect to do this, so
no, because I told you, I was like, it's just gonna be one clip, and then he just kept going, and I was like, okay, I was like, maybe he just wants to post this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the intro here. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think you're ready. Okay. Fit check. No. I keep forgetting to close out my freaking videos after like I'm about to like finish a video, but here we are days later and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, this very short video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. I mean, hopefully you guys loved the intro, and yeah, I'm very excited just to see it, you know, in future videos, and I'm just excited as we just continue to grow. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you